There is something so nostalgic about model trains. This time on CTN Journal, we're transported to a pint-sized world of locomotives. Whether you played with them as a kid, watched your own child build their first track, or collect them as adults, trains have a way of capturing our imagination. When your hobby is this detailed,
it's pretty amazing.
This accurate.
This is Rush City.
And this big.
Say it's fantastic. You got to see it.
There is always more work down the tracks. The members of the North Metro Model Railroad Club have meticulously crafted this expansive model train layout. It consumes a 5,000 square foot basement beneath a former grocery store in Coon Rapids. The multi-level, fully automated, winding display replicates to scale real tracks, towns, and depots across Minnesota.
There's a lot that goes into it, a lot of skilled people. From the electronic side to the scenery side, and then the thought that goes into planning this.
It's to scale.
Charter member Jerry Larson was there when the club started in 2011. A carpenter by trade, Jerry designed and built much of the structure.
There's a plan. I mean, we spent a year planning this layout on a giant 12-foot piece of sheetrock and drawing it, and then redrawing it and changing it. There's a lot of whiteout on that plan, and then we drew some more.
It's one of the largest, if not the largest, in the Twin Cities, and I think we're getting to a point where, as far as functional, it's going to be one of the best layouts in the Twin Cities.
Some members spend hours crafting realistic landscapes. Others plan detailed routes, typing out instruction cards for each and every car on the tracks.
Everybody's kind of got a niche.
Club secretary Steve Lohr simply loves running the trains.
Moving cars around, you're meeting new people, and it's just a fun hobby.
Working switchboards shift tracks depending on the direction a train needs to go. And every engine is outfitted with a computer chip that can be controlled remotely.
Forward, backwards, turn the light on, bells, whistles, all that stuff.
There is even a camera system to monitor hundreds of cars and tracks that move beneath the surface.
Figured, well, how do we get to the layout?
Jerry,
so I built this.
Loves building solutions as this massive display pushes to the very edge of their rented space. A club that started with about a dozen people now has 61 members, each of whom pays monthly dues for the chance to build, modify, and run engines on this layout.
Different members do different things, and we just keep building.
A collection of individual talents have combined to build a remarkable display that has gained fans and visitors from as far away as Australia.
All I'd say is you have to see it, because it's hard to explain.
Once you have seen it for yourself, it's clear these train enthusiasts are on the right track.
And it's so much fun doing it.
North Metro Model Railroad Club is a private group only open to paying members, but they do invite the public in to see their work twice a year for a fundraising flea market and open house. You can follow them on Facebook at NMMRC. The next open house is March 7th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.